everyone, welcome to this week's workout. This week we're going to have 40 minutes of cardio in arms and legs. It's going to be cardio focused with some strength. Okay, let's get started with our warm-up, starting with high jump. Next, we're going to go to a jog. Drive your knees up. Really spring up. Okay, going to a jog. Next, we're going to do some jumping jacks. Almost there. Okay, jumping jacks. And for the last part of this warm-up, we're going to do high knees in about 5 seconds. Here we go. Almost there. Great job. Okay, for this workout, you're going to need weights. And that's it. So, get your weights, get some water, and come right back to start the workout. Okay, for this workout, we're going to be doing a cardio exercise in between each strength set. And we're starting out with side-to-side squat and press up. Then we're going to high knees. I'm using 10 pounds, by the way, in case you're interested. So reach your butt back, keep your chest lifted, core tight. We're going to go through these exercises twice, with different cardio in between. Then we're going to have different exercises we're going to go through twice with different cardio in between. Ten seconds. Okay, high knees. Here we go. Draw your arms. That'll help your legs go faster. 15 seconds. Nice job. Okay, curtsy kick up with a curl. Stay on the right. Go as fast as you can while having good form. With these, it helps to look at something that's not moving and keep your eyes there. 10 seconds, then back to high knees. Okay. High knees, then curls, curtsy curls, other side. Keep it going. Less than 20. 10. Good job. Okay. Curtsy curls. Other leg. Keep your hips square to the front, 45-degree angle with your step back. Should feel it in your glute. Halfway. Seconds. Good job. High knees. Come on, keep it up. 15. Almost there. Nice job. Okay. Plie squat rock with an upright row. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat, row, squat, row. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat, row, row. 15. High knees. Second to last time for high knees. Come on, you can do it. 20 seconds. 10. Okay. Traffic directors. So forward lunge. And shoulder raise. Keep it going. Less than 20. One more. Each side. Great job. Okay. High knees. Last time. Okay. Come on. Last high knees. Make them good. Keep going. 15 seconds. Less than 10. Nice job. Okay, so we're going to do those same strength exercises one more time with a different cardio. And then for our last half, we're switching to different cardio exercise, or yeah, different cardio, different strength. Just basically the same thing. Okay, so get a drink, towel off, come back for the second set. All right, I hope you've caught your breath. So this time in between those same exercises we just did, instead of high knees, we're doing low jacks. So starting out once again with side squat press up. Let's go. Press your butt back. Squeeze your glutes. You get to the top. Make sure your knees are behind your toes. "15 seconds. Okay. Low jacks. Let's go. Almost there. Nice job. Okay, curtsy curls on the right. Whoa. Balance. Seconds. Oh God, my balance today. Nice job. Okay, low jacks. Halfway. Keep going, you're doing awesome. 10. Great job. Okay. Curtsy curls, other leg. Hopefully I'll have better balance this time. Halfway. A few more. Okay. Whew. Low jacks. How are you doing? Heart rate sky high. 20 seconds. You can do it. Great job. Okay. Plie squat walks. 2 squats, upright rows. 3, 4, row. My legs are burning. Less than 20. Keep your core tight. Squeeze on the way up. Nice job. Okay, low jacks. More than halfway. Less than 15. Keep going, you're almost there. Great job. Okay. Traffic directors. Nice wide lunge. Make sure your knees are staying behind your toes. Keep your abs engaged. 15 seconds. Almost there. Great job. All right, one more set of low jacks. Done with set 2. Come on. Stay strong. Core tight. Keep your back flat. More than halfway. You can do it. Keep going. 10. 5. Almost there. Great job. Okay. All right. You're already halfway done with your workout. Walk around a little bit, catch your breath, get some water, then come back for set 3. Okay, ready for your last half of this workout. 2 more 10-minute sets and then you're done. So this time our strength is a narrow squat and an overhead, whatever this is, swing, but you're not swinging, you're using your muscles. Okay, let's get started. And then our cardio is side jump lunge. Nice and controlled with both your arms and your legs. It's like a slow motion, low impact jumping jack. With weights. When you're squatting, press your butt back like you're sitting down in a visible chair. And squeeze your leg to get it up. Almost there. 5 seconds. Wow. My shoulders were tired. Okay. Side jump lunges. Let's go. Keep your chest lifted, core tight. Halfway. Gosh. Okay. Now what? Back lunge curl. Back lunge. Swing up and curl. Stay on the right. Twenty seconds. Five. Side jump lunges. Already feeling it. How about you? Five seconds. Keep it going. $15. Almost there. Wow. Those don't look like much, but okay. Back lunge swing. Staying on the left. $20 seconds. You got this. $10. Great job. Side jump lunges. Come on, guys. 20 seconds. Almost there. Oh, killer. Okay. 2 side twerks. 2 squats and press. Okay, squat press. 2. Other way. Step bounce. Step bounce. Squat press. Squat press. Going back. Great job. Side jump lunges. 5 seconds. Almost there. Awesome job. Okay. 3 jump lunges, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Bend it forward. Bring it back up. Woo! Make sure your back's flat, core tight. 20 seconds. Great job. Okay. Last set of side jump lunges. Be happy. I'm happy. Halfway. Feeling this in my glutes so much. Five seconds. So close. Great job. Wow. Okay. You have 10 minutes left. Alright, so get a drink, towel off, and come back and finish this crazy cardio killer out. Alright, I seriously had to catch my breath for a minute after that. Okay, so starting out with the same strength exercise. This time we're doing twist jacks in between. So let's get going, starting out with narrow squat side, leg lift, and overhead, whatever, shoulder swing, I guess. I don't know. Whoa, balance. Having serious balance issues today. More than halfway. Keep it up. Core tight. Shoulders exhausted. Almost there. One more. Great job. Okay. Jack twists. Twist jacks. Whatever you want to call them. Come on, keep it going. Halfway. Great job. Okay, back lunge curl on the right with a swing up. I'm beat. How about you? 20 seconds. You're doing so great. One more. All right, twist jacks. And the fun never stops. Halfway. Almost there. Great job. Okay. Back lunge swing with a curl on the left. Come on, make sure you're lunging back far enough that your knees are staying behind your toes. Squeeze your biceps. 10 seconds. Great job. Twist jacks. You know the drill. Keep it up. 20. 10. Smile. All right, now what? Side twerk with press-ups. Squat, press, squat, press, and I go back the other way. Remember those 80s workouts? And probably even the ones now, where everybody was smiling like maniacs during the whole thing. I don't think I could smile through one of my workouts. I'd be too tired. Too tired right now. Almost there. Twist jacks. We're getting close though, guys. Approaching the finish line. Halfway. Keep going. You can do it. Ten seconds. Yes. All right. 3 jump lunges, 3 rows. Make sure your core is tight there. Don't want to round your back. Don't round your back. Finishing with a bang. These are tough. You're tougher. 20 seconds. Awesome job. Last set of twist jacks. You can do it. Get hyped. Stay strong. Finish it. Smile. 20 seconds. Stay with me. 10. So close. Great job. Oh my goodness. Okay, you made it. That was killer. Oh my gosh. So, give yourself some hugs. Catch your breath. Wow. Okay, so take a minute if you need to. Unless you're some kind of super athlete. Catch your breath, get a drink, and then we'll be back for the stretch. Yay. 10. Awesome job. All right, so hope you like that. Do what you need to do, then come right back for the stretch, which I just said, and now I'm saying it again. Sorry. Great job, you guys. That was super tough. Okay, starting out with a hip flexor stretch. Lunge back, tilt your hips forward. You should feel it in here. Next, we're going to swing this back leg forward and do a hamstring stretch on the same side. And these stretches last 20 seconds. If you need more time, feel free to take more time. All right, hamstring stretch. Whew. Next, we're going to go to a quad stretch. Same leg. Quad stretch. Don't you love being at this stretch? I love it so much. All right, next is going to be figure four. We're going to stretch out our glutes. Still on the left side, or whatever side you're on. Then after this, we're switching to the right with a hip flexor stretch. This is my favorite stretch. Hip flexor stretch. So let me know what you thought of that workout. Which section did you like the best? Which cardio did you like the best? What did you think was hardest? Hamstring stretch. Next, we're going to go to a quad stretch. I think my problem during the curtsy lunges was that I was looking at a ball as my stationary object, and balls are rolly, so my mind was like rolling. All right, figure four. On the right. All right, great job. Oh, you did so well. All right, so make sure you comment below what you thought of that workout. Any workout requests? This was actually a workout request, I think, that I got like maybe a year ago and never did anything about. Sorry. Somebody asked for like arms and legs without push-ups, so there you have it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell. That keeps you informed of all my workouts so you won't miss any. Make sure you like the video if you liked it and share it with other people who want to get in shape in the comfort of their own home. Alright, I post a workout every Sunday, so I'll see you next week for that. Bye!